Hi, it's Alan here from Unique Risk and Financial Services. So following on with our usual routine and what's become quite a popular segment with yourselves is Monday Myths. Now, this would be our part three, but I want to bring up two things that typically concern a lot of clients. One is that staying with your current broker, insurer, advisor, whatever the case may be, means that you are definitely getting the best possible product and pricing, as well as you somehow have purchased some type of loyalty or favor from them. Now, whilst every broker or any broker worth his salt does fight for his client, yes, absolutely. And insurers are ultimately looking at loss ratios and so on. It does not, unfortunately, define what meets the parameters for a valid claim. So if you have had the incorrect insurance or you have received the incorrect advice for a long period of time, that does not make your premium any more viable. It also doesn't make your cover any more comprehensive. So what I ultimately always advise is go to market, ensure that you are getting the best possible price, as well as speak to someone who specializes in risk, predominantly, especially if you get someone who specializes in risk in your specific industry. Make sure that you are getting, in fact, the best possible cover, that you are protecting yourself, your income, therefore your family, your employees, and your business from any catastrophic potential events that could occur. The other thing is with regards to increase in premiums. Typically what you find is you'll get an annual increase from your insurer, which is quite normal. There's an inflation increase on the sums insured, as well as often on the rates or the premiums charged per section as well. Whilst this may fit in or align with what you expect to pay, often doing so over a period of time could lead to highly inflated premiums and unrealistic sums insured. Often the value of your items are decreasing, so increasing them at inflationary rates, as well as charging you inflationary increases on your rates, would mean that you're paying for way more than what you actually have and what you would be getting paid out in the event of a loss. Have a chat to us, let us help you with that, and let's get that right. The other thing that often concerns clients, and what I hear a lot, is that insurers or brokers always look for reasons not to pay. Now, what I can assure you, and with my many years of experience in the insurance industry, it really is not the case. Insurers typically look for reasons to pay. All are held to an incredibly high standard. There's also the ombudsman. There's many layers of protection that actually protect the client from an insurer who may not be acting ethically or in the best interest of the client. So what I can tell you is they do check a lot of claims, absolutely, with an incredibly high percentage of claims being either overinflated or being straight up fraudulent. The insurance companies, as well as the brokers and advisors for them, have had to become more vigilant, more cautious even possibly. Now, unfortunately, that does sometimes slow the process down. But what I can assure you is a valid claim that you have record of that can be proven without a shadow will not be unnecessarily repudiated if you have the correct cover in place. So, like I said, there has been a massive increase in fraudulent claims, and the insurers are aware that many individuals are taking advantage of insurance companies as well as their policies. So please anticipate that they will be cautious. They will obviously be looking out for the best interests of all their stakeholders and shareholders as well. What I can assure you is speak to someone like Unique Risk and Financial Services. Let us get the correct covers in place. Let's get the correct risk mitigation management processes and protocols in place, and let's ensure that you are getting the best insurance at the best possible rates. If you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us. As I always say, we're always here and ready to help you. You can contact me personally on my personal email address or cell phone number, or the office, and any one of the consultants will be happy to assist. If you need any help, give us a shout. We're willing, wanting, and around to help you. Thank you so much, and I really look forward to speaking to all of you. Bye-bye.